In this video, you'll discover some amazing life hacks and tricks. Stay tuned till the end to catch them all. Cut a plastic bottle and take a spinner. Apply glue on the spinner and attach the bottle to it. This pen and marker holder is ready. Go ahead and use it. Take a plastic bottle cap and make a hole in it using an iron soldering tool. Cut the balloon. Place one part of the balloon on the cap and secure the sides with tape. Make a hole in the center of the plastic bottle using an iron soldering tool. Fix the cap onto the bottle and place the balloon on top. Pump the bottle and fill the balloon with air. Now that the balloon is fully inflated, take a plastic bottle cap and cut the sides. After cutting the sides, apply glue on the cap and fix it in place. Now, hang the toothbrush on it. Take a glass. Now, inflate a balloon. Now, light a matchstick and drop it into the glass. Place the balloon on top of the glass. This is an amazing trick. Now the balloon is stuck in the glass. Lift it and move it around. Cut the top of the plastic bottle using a saw. Rub the top of the bottle on sandpaper to make it smooth. After rubbing with sandpaper, apply glue on the top and fix the second top onto it. Now, mark the cap with a marker and make a hole in it using an iron soldering tool. Insert the piezoelectric igniter into a hole and apply glue on top to secure it. Now, insert the straw into the cap and apply glue to secure it. After the glue dries, your DIY tool will be ready for action. How cool were these tricks and life hacks? If you loved them, hit the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more exciting and innovative ideas. You won't want to miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching.